What's going on, guys? Today we have 4 of the giant Monster Jam trucks because every time I see these at the store, I always wanted to get them, so I picked up 4 of my favorites to unbox and take a look at. The first one here really caught my eye on the store shelves. It's the Megalodon, which is a crazy looking shark truck. Wow, this thing looks mean. The nose of the shark hangs over the front and the teeth look very aggressive hanging over the suspension. I really like all of the details on this one, the black eyes, the gills, the red lips around the mouth, and of course the fins on the side. Now towards the back, under the shark's body, you can see that nice shiny chrome engine, which I assume instead of horsepower, it probably gives it shark power. And every shark power is equal to 10 horsepower, so this thing must be a super fast truck. Okay, that's not true at all, but here's a cool fact for you. The Megalodon can actually bite 6 to 10 times harder than a great white shark and 2 to 3 times harder than a T-Rex. Our second mega-sized Monster Jam truck for today is based on my favorite superhero, which is Iron Man. The design of this one is awesome. It's basically Tony Stark's dream truck, and it's everything you could imagine in an Iron Man vehicle. I'm a big fan of the aggressive body lines on this one. It's all the sharp shapes that come together that really give this one the feel of an Iron Man suit. And the golden helmet-like windshield is a really nice touch. Toward the back, we have Stark Industries, Monster Jam, and Hot Wheels. I think that Stark Industries logo on the tail is a great addition because who else could design a monster like this other than Tony? It's a fantastic looking truck, a great addition to any superhero collection, and definitely one of my all-new favorites. The next Monster Jam truck we're opening up is based on a very popular cartoon dog, and of course, that's Scooby-Doo. It's a challenge to find monster trucks that look better than a Scooby-Doo truck because this thing is awesome. It's got ears on the roof, eyebrows above eye-shaped windows, there's a bright pink tongue flying in the breeze, a signature teal blue dog collar, and of course the iconic SD dog tag around Scooby's neck. I also like the addition of the 2 black spots on the side. There's also Hot Wheels and Monster Jam logos really close to those, and on the back it says Scooby-Doo all the way across. Another neat feature of the Scooby-Doo truck is the easy access and visibility of the engine in the back of the pickup, which the other trucks do not have. Overall, this dog's truck is an absolute classic and a must-have model, so I'm so glad I finally got one for my collection.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
Now this might be the best one yet, the bright green Gas Monkey Garage truck, which is insanely cool, so let's open it up and check it out. The body of the Gas Monkey Garage monster truck is based off of the 1970 Dodge Corvette Super Bee project by Gas Monkey, and I think it turned out incredible. As you can see, this lime green monster is covered with angry monkey faces, which is the signature logo of the Gas Monkey Garage. I really like the fact that when you look through the back window, you see that nice big chrome engine in there, which is unique for a muscle car body like this because normally the engine would be in the front. One thing that is very obvious but might get overlooked are the bright green wheels, which I think are a really nice addition and really help complete the wild style. But overall, this is a super nice truck and I would love to own something like this in real life. We have one more thing I would like to open up today, and I really do love it when you guys send written mail, so let's open it up. It says, "Dear HotDiecast Garage, I love your Hot Wheels video and I subscribed to your channel since 2 years and I always watch your videos every time, so this is why I want to write you a letter. It's from Carmine and there's also a really good drawing that looks a lot like me, so thank you so much for the awesome mail, Carmine." So there we have 4 awesome Monster Jam trucks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time.